Prime Minister Narendra Modi begins his five-nation diplomatic tour in an effort to reach out to the global south. This 9-day tour is seen as the Prime Minister's longest visit overseas. The Prime Minister's visit begins with Ghana. He will also visit Trinidad, Tobago, Argentina, Brazil and Namibia. Prime Minister will also attend the BRICS Leaders Summit in Rio de Janeiro. Modi begins his tour by first stopping at Ghana, his first bilateral visit and also first prime ministerial visit to the country in 3 decades. India shares a growing trade and investment policy with Ghana. India imports more than 70% of Ghanaian gold. Economy, energy, defense and development cooperation are likely issues to be discussed. The next destination is Trinidad, Tobago, where 40 to 45% of the Indian diaspora live. Even Prime Minister Kamla Persad Bissessar and President Christine Carlo Kangaloo are of Indian origin. This will also be Modi's first visit to Trinidad, Tobago and the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister after 1999. This will also mark 180 years of the arrival of Indian immigrants in Trinidad, Tobago. On July 4th, the Prime Minister will land in Argentina and meet Javier Milei, one of the most important ally of the US. Milei's election campaign was particularly famous as he wielded chainsaw during his campaign and also gifted one to the Tesla CEO Elon Musk. This will also be the first bilateral visit by an Indian Prime Minister in 57 years. Cooperation in defense, agriculture, mining, oil and gas, energy will likely to be the topic of discussion. India is also eyeing Argentina's mineral resources, especially lithium for India's green energy transition. The South American country is also a major supplier of soybean and sunflower oil. The next important stop is Brazil, where the Prime Minister will be on a state visit. He will also attend the 2-day BRICS Leaders Summit. Global governance, peace and security, multilateralism, AI, climate action, global health will top the Prime Minister's talking agenda at the summit. He is also expected to hold bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the summit. Modi concludes his 9-day tour by visiting Namibia, his first and the third for an Indian Prime Minister. Modi will pay homage to the founding father of Namibia, Dr. Sam Nujoma, and will also address the nation's parliament. India has largely invested in mining, manufacturing, diamond processing and services in Namibia. In 2022, 8 cheetahs from Namibia were released by the Prime Minister at Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.